You are going to love the 2019 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, stability control, traction control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, suspension control electronic, power brakes, child safety locks, trip odometer, trip computer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.